daw. That means good day in Higaunon. Hi friends, I'm Aljan.
I'm Rhea, and we're so excited you're here.
And I'm Angelica. Together, we're going to explore the beautiful language of Higaunon people.
And I'm Leslie Marban Sumaga. We'll learn friendly greetings and name different parts of the body, all in Higaunon.
So, are you ready?
Say ho if you're ready.
Let's begin our first stop, Higaunon greetings.
So let's start with common greetings you can use every day.
From morning to night, we've got you covered Higaunon style.
When we greet someone in the morning, say, Magdagway masulong. That means good morning. Say it with us. Magdagway masulong.
In the afternoon, we say, Madagway hamahapon. That's good afternoon.
And when it's nighttime, we say, Madagway talungan. That means good evening.
Now, let's learn some polite and useful expressions. Pangituk ka, thank you. Bay animan, you're welcome. Baad pa sa luwa, I'm sorry. Huu, yes. Makaguwa agin, may I go out? Pasayluwa please forgive me.
Oops, bad pa sa'yo mo.
Bye na nila. Thank you.
And if someone says thank you, you say, bye animan.
Let's practice.
Pangituk ka.
Bay animan.
Next up, let's meet your amazing body in Higaunon style.
From your ulo to your tulutay, let's name body parts in Higaunon.
Repeat the words and point to each body part with us.
Ulo, head. Pindal taulo, skull. Tulan taulo, hair. Now, you say ulo.
Mata, eyes. Pilok, eyelashes. Buhok sa mata, eyelid. Tangad, forehead. Kilay, eyebrow.
Idong, nose. Puso tayo idong, nostril, pipi, cheek.
Bacolod, mouth. Dimol mo, lips. Dila, tongue. Nipon, teeth. Baba, chin. Lagos, gums.
Liog, neck. Tungol, nape. Abawa, shoulders.
Bagbaklawan, arm, sipon, elbow, kamumuo, wrist, alima, hand, pomo, fist, palad, palm.
Tuldo, fingers. Inay-inay, thumb. Tudo, pointer finger. Lababaw, middle finger. Liunta ilababaw, ring finger. Ayakingking, pinky finger.
Kampa, chest. Hawak, waist. Goto, stomach. Pusod, navel. Pitiyangin, abdomen.
Taliko, buttocks, pinggil, hip, hitap, thigh, buol, knee, bison, leg, takdang, heel, bubod, foot, lungluan, ankle, igyok, sole, tudutai, toes.
Wow! That was a full body workout in words.
Keep repeating those words and pointing to remember better.
Now let's see how much you remember in our fun game.
How about your yakinging? That's your pinky finger.
Next, goto. Your stomach. And the last one, buol. Your knees.
You did great! You're a Higaonon Valley pro now.
Let's see how this word sounds in a real conversation.
We're going to use the words we just learned in a short scene. Listen closely.
Ma'am, makakuha agad?
Ho. Yes, you may.
Let's try it again. Makagua gid. Who?
We just had a short Higaonon conversation. Yay!
Let's wrap everything up with a quick review and celebration.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep practicing your Higaonon word every day.
Pangitukan!